Today we're talking systems of equations. Systems are when you have two or more equations that are graphed on the same graph, or two or more equations where you're looking for something that an ordered pair, an x and y that solves the system, meaning it's true for both of them. So solution is a system of equations where they intersect. It's what they have in common. There are three different possible answers. There's one solution, as you can see here. If you took the two equations, 3, 2 would be the only point that would work for both of them. There are no solutions, zero solutions. Those two lines are parallel, meaning they'll never intersect. They have the same slope. And then finally we have sometimes a chance where we have two equations that when you graph them are the exact same line. It happens, I'll show you in class. But in that case, you have an infinite number of solutions, meaning every point is a solution. So here we have an example of two lines, the blue line and the red line. You can see the point where they intersect is at 1, -5. It only has one solution. And again, if we had the two equations, that would be the one point that works for both of them. But we call it the solution. Here we have one, this one's purple. Give it a little color coding. You have a blue one on top of a red one, meaning that these two equations, when graphed, exact same line. So these are going to have an infinite number of solutions. All the points, any point on that line will be a solution. Our next example, you've got two lines. Now, as I'm going to show you here, they look like they're not going to intersect, but we're going to prove it. The red one has a slope of -1/2, the blue one has a slope of -1/2. That means they have the same slope. Now, the fact that they have the same slope means they will not intersect, so therefore they have no solutions. You can't just look at it though, you have to prove it. So finally, to start your work today, we'll fill in these blanks. To solve an equation to solve a system by graphing, you're going to make sure both equations are solved for y. You're going to graph the first equation, you're going to graph the second equation, and then you're going to identify the solution, the point of intersection.